Good morning students. Today I am discuss about calculate efficiency of Carnot heat engine using TDS diagram. Using TDS diagram. The graph is drawn taking entropy as on x-axis and temperature on y-axis. On y-axis is known as TDS diagram. The TDS diagram is as shown in the figure. In isothermal process, temperature of the system remains constant, and adiabatic process entropy remains constant. During isothermal expansion, AB, isothermal expansion, AB, temperature remains constant at T1 and entropy changes means increases from S1 to S2. During adiabatic expansion, BC, entropy remains constant and temperature falls T1 to T2. During isothermal compression, CD, entropy changes means decreases from S2 to S1 at temperature T2. And finally, adiabatic compression, DC, temperature rises from T2 to T1 at constant entropy. Hence, the shape of Carnot cycle on TDS diagram is a rectangle. During isothermal expansion, the system absorbs Q1 heat energy from the source at temperature T1 and the entropy changes from S1 to S2. Therefore, absorbed heat energy Q1 equals to area of A, B, S1, S2. That equals to area formula AS1 into AB, length into breadth. AS1 means T1 into AB means AB, S2 minus S1, that equals to T1 into ds. In isothermal compression, CD Q2 heat energy is released to sink at temperature T2 and entropy decreases from S2 to S1. Therefore, released heat energy Q2 equals to area of rectangle DCS2 S1, that equals to length into breadth ds1 into dc ds1 means ds1 means T2 and dc s2 minus s1 that equals to T2 into s2 minus s1 that equals to T2 into ds1. Therefore the resultant work W equals to Q1 minus Q2 that equals to T1 ds minus T2 ds. So ds common తీస్తే T1 minus T2 into ds. Therefore now efficiency of Carnot heat engine eta equals to net work done by absorbed heat energy Q1. So T1 minus T2 into ds by T1 ds. ds cancel అయిపోతుంది. Therefore T1 minus T2 by T1 that equals to 1 minus T2 by T1. This is efficiency of Carnot heat engine from TDS diagram.